So this particular video is actually a response to one of my subscribers who actually commented under one of my videos that he would want to find out how YouTube shorts are being uploaded. Yes, and so this particular video is all about how to upload YouTube shorts the best way. All right, so kindly watch from start to the end. Do not skip any section, and right after this I'm sure you're actually going to learn a lot over here on a YouTube platform. So to upload a YouTube shorts on your channel the right way, there are two main ways of doing that. The first process is using your YouTube Studio. That is by going to your Google Chrome or any supporting browser to select your YouTube Studio, and then you can upload it over there. Secondly, you can also upload your YouTube shorts using your YouTube application on your phone, and that's exactly what we're going to use for this tutorial. So now you open to your channel. All right, so currently at my channel, right, at Smart Tutorials. All right, so the next thing to do is that you see when you check down here, you can see that there are some options over here. Yeah, just down this page. Now you have the home, the shorts, the plus sign, subscriptions, and then the U. Now this short over here isn't what we're going to talk about. In fact, if you click on this short, you're actually going to be shown the shorts of other people's that are available on your channel or that are available on YouTube that they can actually have access to it. All right, do not click on that short. And so what we're going to do now is we are going to click on this plus sign over here. That is exactly where we are going to upload our short. So please kindly follow keenly, okay, with rapt attention, and then so that you can also be able to upload your short successfully then the right way on YouTube. So let's click on that. So you see, right after clicking on that, it's going to open a page for us. Okay, so on your phone, you're going to see yourself. You're going to open the camera right away. That's the selfie camera right away for you to be able to actually see yourself and to do whatever that you want to do. All right, so now let's proceed. Now when you check here, we have the first videos. So you can select any video from your phone, and then you upload it as your short. The second one is the short. That's exactly where we're actually going to start working. Then next is live, and the last one is the post. All right, so you can actually post here just as you post on Facebook. Okay, so now let's go into the short over here. Now there are two ways over here as well. You can either use the red button over there, okay, the red thing down there just in front of the short. Okay, you can click on that. When you click on that, it will start recording, and then it will record directly from here. But if you already have the video on your phone, the next thing to do is to click on add this particular one, and then you are going to be allowed to select any video of your choice on your phone. Good. So now you see, when you check here, you have 60 seconds already selected. That means as I speak to you now, YouTube shorts can be up to 60 seconds. YouTube has actually come up with an update that they're going to roll out. It is said that shorts are going to be from the first to the third minute, but as I speak to you now, it's not been rolled out yet, and so it's still the 60 seconds or 15 seconds or any seconds below 60 seconds. So now you've actually done everything that you want to do over here. So the next thing is to click on add. Great. So now when you click on the add, it's actually going to open your gallery. So now you have your gallery over here. You can click on that to select a video from any of your folders. So let's assume I'm uploading the video from my tutorials folder. Great. So now you look through to select the preferred video you want to upload. So assuming I want to upload a portion of this particular video. Okay. Without these four major things, consistency on YouTube is meaningless. Great. So welcome to my that is it. Let's lower the volume for the sake of the tutorials. So now it has actually selected a video that you're actually going to use for you. So this is exactly how it's going to show on your YouTube short section when some people visit over there. So now it's up to you to do certain settings here. All right, so the 60 seconds is showing down here, as you can see, it's showing down there, and then the video is actually 16 minutes, as you can see over here, and it started with the first 60 seconds from the first minute. Great. And so you can select a portion of the video that you want it to show. All right, so let's assume I want it to start from, let's say, the 5th minute. Actually, I want to talk about evergreen content. So the evergreen content portion is around the feet minutes 53 seconds thereabout. So let's crop or skip to that side. Okay, so we have 5 minutes. The feet, okay, great. So now that is where we are, the evergreen content section. So you've actually selected that. So it depends on where you want to select out of your video. So you just scroll there, you just be cropping and moving forward to get to that portion. And when you are done, when everything is intact for you, you click straight away on done like this down there. And then what is we're going to do is that is start processing. So as you can see in the middle, yes, it will start processing till it finishes. So that white circle would need to join the other end before you are through to proceed to the next stage to add some touches to your video. All right, so let's move ahead. Great. So it is now successfully processed. Now let's click on the mark over here to signal to them that that's okay, and so you want to proceed with that. Great. So now this exactly how it's going to show when people visit your short to watch on YouTube. So you see there are some options over here. We have the A, capital A, small a, and then we have the other emojis over here. We have the microphone sign down here. So what it means is that some people actually upload a voiceless or soundless video, so they use the microphone option over here to add a voiceover to that particular video or that particular short. You can also do that. All right, yes, this particular video is having a sound just for the sake of the tutorial that we've actually take off the sound. Okay, so now you can add a sound to it also from here. This sound they are talking about is a music or a song. You can add a sound while you're listening or watching some short. You see there are some songs playing in the background, so you can actually click on that and use any song of your choice as the background. So now when you are done, settled with everything, you can click on next. But hey, let's get to the first one, the capital A, small a. You can add some text on the screen, so let's click on that and see. Great. So now you can add some keywords out of your title, okay, onto the screen just to showcase to people just at a glance. So now what's YouTube evergreen content, or what's evergreen content on YouTube? That is the actual title of this particular video. All right, so now we can actually include evergreen content on YouTube. So let's type it, evergreen content on YouTube. Good. So now we are done with this. So you see the background is white. You can change it to suit the color you want. You see the colors down here, so you can say, let's say, black background, red background, any of the other colors over here. You can select your preferred one. So for the sake of this, let's use the red background. And then when you are done, you can also select the type of font that you want from the top over here. You see you have the classy, we have the YouTube sans, we have the heavy, and then we also have the handwriting. Any of them that you want, the typewriter, you can select it. Any of them that you think can help you, you can select that one and you press on done over here. Great. So now your text, and then with this text too, you can position it at wherever you want to position it. Okay, so now you see it's moving on the screen, so you can position it at wherever you want to position it, and that is it. And then you can also time it. You see, you can leave it to display on the screen from start to the end. You can also give it a time, so you click on that and then you come to timing in between over here, and then you see the video is down there, and that of the text is also having a red background, so you reduce the number of seconds of the text. Great. So you see, when it starts, it will remain on the screen till it gets to this side of the video, and then it will just vanish. You understand? So when it's at the first click, to continue to show over there. So it depends on you. You can even extend it small like this. It depends on you. All right, before it vanishes over there. When you are done, you click on done. Great. And so that is exactly how you do some of these settings. When you are done completely, when everything is intact, The next thing to do is that, and don't forget, with that test too, you can let the system also give out a mention for you. What it means is that you can get another settings, make it over here, so that when people click on that, there's going to be a voice over that is going to mention or read that test that you actually entered over there on your screen. Okay, after everything is successful over here for you, the next thing to do is to click on next over here, right? So now you are going to be asked to enter your caption. So we've already copied it onto the clipboard, so we paste it. Good. So what is evergreen content on YouTube? Evergreen content, that's your hashtag, YouTube's SEO, and then timeless video. So these are your hashtags. Okay, I think you still have some more times or some more tests. So let me try including my branded hashtag @smart if the number of tests will permit. Great. So you see 93 out of 100. And the next thing to do, you see the visibility is already public. Look, you can set the location to wherever you're uploading the video from. Audience, you check it's not made for kids, already selected. And then related video over here. If you have any video that's in relation to the shorts that you actually coming to upload, then you select the related video, select that video, so that when people watch the short, you can direct them to also watch that particular video for you. And now the paid promotion level here, you let them know that this video does not include any paid promotion. Good. And then you come back, and now everything is successful. But before you move on, you see, when you come here where you see your image over here, that is where you select the thumbnail. So you can either change this thumbnail by clicking on the pen sign over here, or you can maintain this one. So now this one is okay, so let's maintain it. So the next thing to do is to click on upload down here, as you can see. So now we are going to upload short since everything is intact. Great. So now uploading to your videos, see video. When you click on see video, to show you how the process of it uploads. Okay, so let's click on that and see. So you see it's 9%, 10% upload. It's going to take that number of seconds to upload successfully. All right, so let's wait patiently. So after uploads, it also needs to process successfully. Great. So now uploaded to your videos, you can see video now. So let's try see video. Great. So that is it. What is evergreen content on YouTube? Hashtag evergreen content, hashtag YouTube SEO, hashtag timeless video, hashtag @smart. So now this your short is successfully uploaded on your YouTube channel. So you can click on that to watch right away. So let's try watching it. Media platform on YouTube. Great. So that is it, and that is exactly how to actually upload a YouTube shorts the right way on your YouTube channel. I'm sure you've learned a lot from this particular video. You've learned a lot from this particular tutorials. And so if today happens to be your first time, please, this is exactly what I do over here on my YouTube channel. You can click on the subscribe button to be part of this wonderful family, so that whenever there is an upload over here, you can also have access to it and enjoy from the powerful tutorials that I've been sharing over here on my YouTube channel. So that is it. This is the one that we've just done. Okay, yes, this is the one that we've just done, and this is the first one I actually uploaded over here. So that is it. Thank you very much. If you've not clicked on the subscribe button, please click on that right away and then subscribe to this my YouTube channel. In fact, I give out detailed tutorials like this. See, I take my time to take you through one after the other, so you understand very, very well, so that you can be successful in your side as well. All right, so thank you very, very much. Don't forget to share this particular video so it benefits other people too, and please do well to give me a like. And if you have any question, if you have any compliment, the comment section is for you. Let me hear from the comment section. If you're also successful and if you're able to upload your shorts the right way on YouTube, please let me hear from you at the comment section. So thank you very much, and do have a wonderful time.